Little Miss I-N-D.
Independent? Are you seriously spelling that for me?
Yeah. Little Miss Too Pretty.
Yeah, we know.
Ooh.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Truly Ash back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product, and it's Aveeno. It's a face mask. I got it from Myers. It was $10.49. I know, but like, this is how big it is. And this is what the package looks like. Sometimes I be like kind of like wishy-washy about like certain products, but like with Aveeno, you already know I got my face wash is Aveeno, and my lotion is Aveeno, and I got Aveeno body wash. So you already know I'm good. You already know I'm good with this face mask. This is how big it is. And I got the Maxglow version. They have like 3 kinds. I'm putting on the screen right here to show you what other kinds they have. I want to get the Maxglow because, you know what I'm saying, I want my skin to glow. I want my skin to glow. What are you doing, sis? If your skin's not glowing, what are you doing? I usually use a regular brush to apply it because it is sticky when you put it on. You know what I'm saying? I will use my fingers, but then your hand's gonna be all sticky. You can use your fingers, but I just don't want my fingers to be sticky. Before you continue this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I just finished my skincare routine, so I will add my skincare routine in the eye in the description box down below. First thing I do is just open up the bottle. And this is green. I don't know if you can see. Let me put it on the thing so you can see it. That is the face mask. I am going to be looking to the side because I have a mirror right here to apply it. And you just want to apply it evenly throughout your face. And don't get it so close to your eye.
I just text my main chick. Told her I ain't coming home. I just text my main chick. Told her I ain't coming home tonight. I just text my main chick. Told her I ain't coming home tonight.
So this is what's gonna look like when you're done putting the face mask on. And you do have to wait till it dries. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to dry, and then you just want to peel it off. So I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'll just come back when it's ready to peel off.
Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, I'm just here to do my job.
So that's the timer. It is officially been 20 minutes, and I'm gonna start peeling it off now. I can barely talk. I can barely talk now. Let's see. Oh, look at it. Now I'm just gonna get a towel or something to wipe off the excess stuff that I can't really get to. So after I take the mask off, I just put on my AVEENO cream on my dark spots. Just put it on here. Then I put this on the rest of my face. The way it made my face feel after I peel it off, man, it made my face feel so soft. I'll catch y'all back with another video. Bye.
I just text my main chick. Told her I ain't coming home. I just text my main